So, welcome to our channel, Judiciary Exam 360, your one stop platform for all your judiciary aspirants, for all your judiciary needs to crack the judiciary exams. Just be here, be with us, and we assure you that you will achieve your dream in no time. Yes. So, welcome again to Judiciary Exam 360. Hi, I'm Amruta Chajid, and I have done my law from ILS Law College and my master's from National Law School, India University, Bangalore. Yes, you heard right. I have mentored more than 5,000 children, judiciary aspirants, law entrants, for that matter, even law course. Okay. So, yes, do associate with us and let's crack PCS judiciary together through the Unacademy Learner platform. Get your subscriptions today. Download the app from the Play Store, and once you download the app, you get access to free special classes too. You can use my code Amruta10 for a 10% off. Yes, what are you waiting for? Quickly, my special classes also starting from Monday 10:30 to 11:30. Schedule that works for you. No language barrier. Learn anytime, anywhere. Interact with your educator. Get your doubts clear. Answer live polls, live tests, and quizzes. So use my code Amruta10. Pricing plans: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months. For 1 month, 6,250. For 3 months, 5,208. For 6 months, 4,167. For 12 months, 2,864. For 18 months, 2,344. For 24 months, it's 2,083 per month. All these costs are per month. Do calculations, apply the economics, see how much time you're going to take, and accordingly choose the plan, because the more you go, the less it will cost you. Okay. So yes, do associate with us. Amruta 10 to get additional 10% off. यार क्या चाहिए? And I'm so proud मेरे वजह से मेरे नाम से. But yeah, just kidding. Amruta 10 and get a 10% off. We have also a comprehensive batch that's running right now. Already started, people. Why haven't you joined yet? 1 year just started. 1 year ka batch hai. It's Anil sir's batch. His team famous for producing 300 plus judges, and his teaching style is very meticulous. Please join soon. Yeah. We also have a judiciary linking batch for 6 months course by Tansuk Paliwal and his team starting from July 28, 2021 for MP, Haryana, Rajasthan, UP, Delhi, Bihar, Jharkhand, and other state judiciary exams. Oh my God, yes! So you need to join this. Now, along with this, you get all the options with you. Okay, so if you enroll for this, you're getting all the special classes. If you enroll for this comprehensive batch, you get all the content with you. Okay. Yes, and if you find any inappropriate content in the video, be the first one to report it to claim your prize. So there is a form in the description. Please go there. Any inappropriate content and be the first one. Report it. You stand to win a prize. Know our handles, that Judiciary Exam 360 and Judiciary Exam 360 at Judiciary Exam 360 on Telegram, Judiciary Exam 360 on YouTube. Yes, and today we are going to talk about Article 15. Article 15, yes, this is the poster. I hope you've watched a movie, amazingly made, very well made, small things about the movie, the nuances of the movie are so well taken, acting is superb, and storyline is amazing too. So we are going to talk about Article 15 today. Daily dose of humor. No name, no game. Michael Jordan, Alan Heckard. Okay, both these look-alikes, right? Now, if I look like, some famous personality, I'll be like, oh, wow, amazing. But here, Alan Heckard, when he looked like, he actually looked like his, the famous personality, Michael Jordan, the famous player, Michael Jordan. But he did not enjoy that. He did not enjoy all the confusion, which was a part and parcel of him looking like Michael Jordan. So what did he do? He went ahead and sued the NBA star Michael Jordan and the co-founder of Nike, Phil Knight, in 2006 for $832 million. Oh my God. He even spotted a ring. If you can see even in the picture, both are, both have that ring. Okay. And he said that he is, that Alan Heckard was 8 years older and 6 inches shorter than Jordan. But yes, this is pretty hilarious. And then finally, he dropped the suit. Okay, he had no reasonable explanation for $832 million. He was suing. Yes, okay. When we talk about Article 15, yes, what are we talking about? We just spoke about Article 14. We talked about Article 14, which said right to equality. this is in continuation of that. Okay, what it says, we first of all, let me remind you that under Article 14, just give me a second. Yes, we said that, under Article 14, we said equal protection of laws, equality before law, and we said that there cannot be any discrimination, right? However, there could be classification. When you have classification on the ground of, let's say, that there's some intelligible differentia कि कुछ ऐसा difference है because of which it is not discrimination but classification. Okay, so there are two words that we are going to talk about, is discrimination and classification. Okay, there can be reasonable classification, but so I told you the example where a person who earns more, मेरे पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, says Amitabh Bachchan, and Shashi Kapoor says, oh, मेरे पास माँ है. So who is going to be taxed more? If you start taxing Shashi Kapoor as at par with Amitabh Bachchan, is that right? Okay, so what law does is it takes more tax from Amitabh Bachchan, right? Now this is, do you think this is discrimination or do you think it is classification, is what we are going to see. Yes, we talked about in Article 14 and we said no, it is reasonable classification because there is intelligible differentia. On some ground there is some difference, yes, but that ground is reasonable and that has some connection, some nexus with what we want to achieve. Okay, we want to achieve socialism, so that has a nexus with the goal we want to achieve. So ये बहुत जरूरी है. Okay, now Article 15, we move on to, you have 1 2 1 2 B 3 and 4, right? Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. The state shall not discriminate against any citizen on these grounds. Which grounds am I talking about? RRCSP. Okay, RRCSP, that's religion, race, caste, sex or place. No citizen shall, on the grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth or any of them, be subject to any disability. Now this is what I want to highlight here. A disability, liability, restriction or conditions. Okay, you cannot do something as disability. If you do something, you will have to pay for it as liability. Restriction is, yes, you can do, but only to this extent. Condition is, if you fulfill this condition, only then you can do a certain thing. So अगर ये सबको है तो सबको applicable होगा. Okay, so for example, if someone wants let's say कि पानी चाहिए, okay, access to water. So disability है कि कोई on the basis of let's say caste. Okay, on the basis of caste, I am saying ki you are not allowed to take water. Or liability, if you want to take water, pay something. Or third, if you want to take water, you can take water only between 5 to 7. Restriction. Condition, if you want water, you will have to fill water for everyone. That is a condition that I'm putting for. Okay, so disability, liability, restriction और condition अगर है तो सबके लिए है, अगर नहीं है तो किसी के लिए भी नहीं है. Okay, so you cannot discriminate on the basis of these grounds or and say that disability है, liability है, restriction और condition है. ये चारों नहीं चलेंगे. You cannot disable someone, you can make liable someone, you can restrict or put conditions on someone on the ground of the above things. Okay, then with regard to access to public shops, public restaurants, hotels and palaces of public entertainment, ये किस पे भी नहीं कर सकते हो आप. Then the use of wells, tanks, etc. Okay, or dedicated to the use of general public, right? Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making special provision for women and children. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any special provision for वुमेन एंड चिल्ड्रन. सो ये है आपका इंपॉर्टेंट क्लॉज. क्या बोला है? वुमेन एंड चिल्ड्रन के लिए यू कैन मेक स्पेशल प्रोविजन. Yes, then again it says nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any special provision for the advancement of any socially and educationally backward classes of citizen or for scheduled classes and tribes. कौन है? Second कौन हो गया? Socially and educationally backward. Socially and educationally backward. Okay, and third कौन है? Scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. तो first था women and children, second है socially and educationally backward, and third है scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Okay, ये सारे conditions है. Now when we talk about discrimination, okay, this we are moving on, okay, when we are talking about discrimination, please understand कि ये जो word discrimination है और classification इसमें अलग है. If you're the way you are differentiating, intelligible differentia is the word that is used. Please say this, intelligible differentia, okay. If you're saying intelligible differentia, okay, the ground for it, okay, if it is intelligible, आप डिफरेंस कर रहे हो, अगर वो इंटेलिजेंट है तो वो बन जाता है क्लासिफिकेशन. ओके, what can I say? It can be said it's classification. But if this is not intelligent, if this is unreasonable, if it is illogical, if it is not within the purview of the law, then we will call it unreasonable differentiation. Okay, so जब discrimination होता है, ओके, वो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन क्यों होता है? जब अनरीजनेबल डिफरेंशिया होता है. अगर इंटेलिजेंट है तो वो क्लासिफिकेशन माना जाएगा. ओके, सो रिमेंबर दिस, इफ इट इज अनरीजनेबल आई वुड से डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, बट इफ इट इज इंटेलिजेंट आई वुड से इट्स क्लासिफिकेशन. क्योंकि लाइक्स कैन नॉट बी सॉरी, इनइक्वल्स कैन नॉट बी ट्रीटेड इक्वली. अगेन दैट मीन्स यू आर supporting inequality. Okay, so if there is some inequality already, okay, then that can be used as intelligible differentia to either erase that inequality or to ensure that people, who are disadvantaged come at par with each other. Okay, so discrimination occurs actually when distinguished or treated in less favorable manner, right? तो अगर ये दो बंदे हैं तो आप इसको ज्यादा सपोर्ट कर रहे हो और इसको नीचा दिखा रहे हो, दैट इज. Or okay, or if he is poor, if A is poor and B is rich, you are collecting the same tax from both. Okay, so you are placing them on equal footing. That is discrimination. When there is no ground, A and B are same income, everything is same, still you are favoring A ज्यादा and B को नहीं, या फिर ये अलग अलग है फिर दोनों को आप सेम ट्रीटमेंट दे रहे हो. Okay, that will be discrimination. Understand the meaning of discrimination. दो सेम लोगों को अलग ट्रीटमेंट या दो अलग लोगों को सेम ट्रीटमेंट. ओके, दैट इज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. ओके, दैट इज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. ओके, जब मैं ट्रीटमेंट बोल रही हूँ तो वो जो डिफरेंस है उसका ट्रीटमेंट बोल रही हूँ और जो सिमिलैरिटी उसका ट्रीटमेंट. ओके, राइट. Now Article 15 restricts discrimination on the ground of religion. Okay, basis of religion from accessing any public place or policy by the state नहीं कर सकते हो. ओके, सेकेंड रेस क्या होता है? ओरिजिन होता है हर एक का. ओके, वी हैव रेसिज्म काफी होता है अब्रॉड कंट्रीज में, लाइक ब्लैक व्हाइट, दैट इज रेसिज्म. यू कम फ्रॉम अफगानिस्तान हैज अ डिफरेंट रेस, इंडिया हैज अ डिफरेंट रेस, सो दैट इज सिटीजन ऑफ अफगानिस्तान शुड नॉट बी डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड फ्रॉम दोज ऑफ इंडियन ओरिजिन. ओके, सो ये ओरिजिन के बेस पे आप डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं कर सकते हो. Okay, so race is like ethnicity of a person. Okay, race is like an ethnicity. उसके बेस पे आप डिफरेंस नहीं कर सकते हो. There are many actually ऐसे races काफी है. Okay, काफी races है, उसमें आप डिस्क्रिमिनेट. कास्ट है, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कास्ट. हु नोज इट बेटर देन इंडिया, बिकॉज इंडिया में कास्ट सिस्टम था और काफी बुरी तरह से उनको परेशान किया था. ओके, लोअर कास्ट अपर कास्ट. जेंडर के इस पे फीमेल्स और मेल्स, हमने देखा एक केस आर्टिकल 14 के नीचे जिसमें हमने बोला कि द वुमेन फ्लाइट अटेंडेंट वाज नॉट अलाउड, okay, to work after 35 years of age or after marriage or after pregnancy. Okay, so whichever came first, and males did not have that. It was said कि ये बेस पे आप differentiate नहीं कर सकते हो. And place of birth, wherever the person is born, उसके बेस पे आप कुछ भी discrimination नहीं कर सकते हो. Domicile is different, people. Okay, I want you to remember that domicile is different than place of birth. Okay, now this discrimination is often perceived to be contrary to principles of equality. Okay, discrimination, you can't say that. Okay, what is it? It has observed that Supreme Court has observed, and we are going to discuss cases. It has observed that discrimination is not the same as classification. I have already told you what is discrimination. क्या है? अगर two equals को you are treating unequally, okay, or two unequals को you are treating equally. Okay, that can be termed as discrimination. Okay, but what is the classification? When two unequals, okay, are being treated unequally because we are giving them a different, we are keeping them on different footing, and that there is a relationship between, the difference between those two individuals, then we say classification. Classification is a positive word and discrimination is a negative word. Okay, now we are going to see the cases here. We are going to see Kathi Running Rawat versus state of Saurashtra. The state of Saurashtra, okay, the state of Saurashtra, what did it do? It said few matters would be adjudicated. Okay, I repeat, few matters, that is section 302, which speaks about murder, 307, which talks about attempt to murder, 392, okay, and read with section 34. Section 34 talks about several persons in furtherance of common intention. Okay, इसको बोला कि आप अलग कोर्ट में जाओगे. Okay, but special courts were set up. Then they said, oh, this is article 15 के अगेंस्ट ये नहीं कर सकते हो आप. लेकिन कोर्ट ने ये बोला कि देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन पर्सन्स, इट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन लेजिस्लेशंस, कि आप ये सेक्शन के लिए स्पेशल कोर्ट्स है, ये सेक्शन के लिए ये नॉर्मल कोर्ट्स है. तो ऐसा नहीं बोला ये लोगों के लिए स्पेशल है, ये लोगों के लिए नॉर्मल है. उन्होंने क्या बोला, जो भी ये ऑफेंसेस कमिट करेंगे उनके लिए स्पेशल कोर्ट है, ये ऑफेंसेस के लिए. ओके, सो the court said no, this is fine, this is absolutely okay, it is not discrimination. Okay, now reservation, we come to reservation. कैसे 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 हम भूल पाएंगे अगर आर्टिकल 15 के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो 15 क्लॉज 3, 4, 5 दे आर एक्सेप्शन टू आर्टिकल 15 1 and 2. Okay, they say that you can make special provision for, like I said, women and children, for advancement of socially backward classes of citizens, for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes as well, and make provision relating to the admission to educational institutions, including private. Maybe they can interfere, whether aided or unaided by the state. Minority में नहीं कर सकते हो आप, लेकिन अगर aided है या unaided है, I can still say that, look, school, you'll have to have reservation for scheduled caste or scheduled tribes. I can still go ahead and say. So 15, 3, 4, 5 are an exception which we are going to study. Okay, so discrimination, yes. On the basis of domicile, okay, we can see there can be classification. Why? Because domicile is not like place of birth. Okay, it's not like place of birth. Okay, so it can give some special benefits to socially, educationally backward scheduled classes, scheduled tribes, scheduled classes को. Okay, so that can happen. But domicile के base पे states can say, okay, migrants, you won't get these, we have certain reservation for people from our own state. Okay, that is domicile. कर सकते हैं, लेकिन to what extent is what I am going to tell you. Domicile, now article 15 defines place of birth. Domicile is different. Domicile is place of residence and that person's intention to reside there permanently, but it is different than place of birth. Okay, so domicile ke niche it will be fine if the person, if there is any policy that the state comes up with. Okay, chalo agla case. Okay, in Girdhar versus state क्या हुआ था, इन्होंने चैलेंज किया था कि men, it's only against men that we have outraging the modesty of women. Such laws are discriminatory. Assault भी बस women के against है, men के against है. Women can file against men. Even outraging modesty is against men. But men के लिए ऐसे कोई provisions नहीं है, तो you should strike this down. The court said it's in consonance with Article 15 क्योंकि we can make special laws for women and children. So this is a special law that is made for women and children. In Union of India versus KP Prabhakaran, the Railway Administration took the decision to appoint inquiry cum reservation clerks in 4 metropolitan cities, that is Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai. इसमें क्या हुआ, जो भी वो करने वाले थे ना इंक्वायरी एंड कम रिजर्वेशन क्लर्क्स, उनको बोला गया कि सारे वुमेन ही होंगे, दिस विल बी फिल्ड ओनली बाय वुमेन. Then it was challenged ki if you're hiring people, why only women? Okay, is there any connection with that? Okay, and they said, they started claiming article 15(3). They said 15(3) gives us the right to make any policy especially for women, okay, or law for women. But the court rejected. पता है आपको कोर्ट ने क्यों रिजेक्ट किया? कोर्ट ने बोला इक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी, ओके, इक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी सबको है अंडर आर्टिकल 16(1)(2). तो आप 15(3) you cannot hold it as an exception for article 16(1)(2). just because 15(3) है आप उसको exception, मतलब equality of opportunity, equality of opportunity cannot be an exception to article 16(1)(2). कि आप आर्टिकल 16 में कुछ बोला गया है तो उसका एक्सेप्शन 15(3) ऐसा नहीं है. इक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी सबको है. तो अब क्या बोलोगे अगर इक्वालिटी ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी थोड़े मतलब यू कैन सी व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज just because you can make special provision for women, okay, and there is equality of opportunity for all, then do you use that as a ground saying we cannot give equality of opportunity to all? Can you? And we have the right not to give because we can make something again under 15(3). Is that possible? You can make special, but if there is something that's saying equality and there's no reasonable nexus between your ground or your decision, then it will not pass the test of reasonability. Okay, this is what was held in Union of India versus KP Prabhakaran. Toki versus the state of Rajasthan. इसमें क्या हुआ था? A husband and wife conspired to murder their child. Okay, and they both were arrested. Okay, and application of bail was presented but the application was rejected. Okay, woman का भी reject हुआ, मतलब husband and wife दोनों का reject हुआ. Okay, then they appealed. Okay, it was challenged before the Supreme Court, and the ground that they stated was that as a mother she has to look after her son, her young son who's completely dependent on her. Okay, yes, they murdered one child, they had another child and who was completely dependent on her. Okay, so they said ki as a woman under article 15(3) you should allow me to move out on bail, and they said yes. 15(3) talks about special provisions for women and children. For the child, for the protection of the child, we do allow the bail application of the, and it was allowed. Surprising, but yes, true. Both conspired, both murdered, but she was allowed to move out on bail because of article 15(3), special provisions for women and children. Reservation within reservation. This is a very interesting concept, people. When we have reservation, ठीक है, but ये मान लो कि within reservation भी ऐसे classes है जो they are being underprivileged. Means मान लो कि scheduled caste है और scheduled caste में भी subcastes है, उसमें वो subcaste में जो है ना वो they're more underprivileged than the other subcastes. So what I'm trying to say is scheduled caste है. ओके, ये आर्टिकल इसमें 15 में बहुत अच्छा मूवी, वो एक बहुत अमेजिंग डायलॉग है कि आप कौन हो, तो हम हरिजन हैं, हम ये है वो है, एंड ही इज लाइक कि ये क्या है. सो उसमें रेजर्वेशन विद इन रेजर्वेशन अच्छा डायलॉग है. ओके, वो अगर आप देखोगे ना आर्टिकल 15, इफ यू हैवंट वॉच आई हाईली रेकमेंड दैट यू शुड वॉच. तो शेड्यूल कास्ट में क्या है, if okay, there are other subcasts also. Let's say subcaste 1, subcaste 2 and subcaste 3. Okay, अगर this is considered as सबसे अच्छा वाला सबकास्ट, ये थोड़ा एवरेज, और ये सबसे सबसे डाउन ट्रॉडन. ओके, सबसे डाउन ट्रॉडन अगर कंसिडर किया तो इनके लिए ज्यादा रिजर्वेशन हो, इनके लिए कम रिजर्वेशन. दैट इज रिजर्वेशन विद इन रिजर्वेशन. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल जो अभी मराठा रिजर्वेशन का चल रहा है ना, वो ऑलरेडी कोई ओबीसी के रिजर्वेशन में फॉल हो रहा है. What they're trying to do is उसमें भी मराठा को और रिजर्वेशन देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ओके, मराठा रिजर्वेशन in Maharashtra will already fall under the OBC reservation. Okay, the Jat reservation demands in Haryana and the 7% reservation of Madiga community under SC reservation. So Madika community के बारे में यहाँ पे बोला गया है. Jat reservation demands in Haryana. Maratha का reservation who already fall under OBC. Now, there's special provision for specific states. They can formulate policies and they can say that in the matters of public employment, education, and different in the matters of public employment and education, they can give preference or can give reservation for people of the state. They can provide reservation to provide opportunity and facilities to the local people. किसमें? पब्लिक एम्प्लॉयमेंट में, ओके, एंड एजुकेशन में, एंड एजुकेशन, ओके. सो दे कैन एक्चुअली प्रोवाइड, they can make provisions for them. Okay, so Article 371 is special provisions for state of Maharashtra and Gujarat, Nagaland, Assam, Manipur, Andhra Pradesh, Sikkim, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, Goa, जो और कर्नाटका जो लोकल लोग है ना, उनके लिए they have said area wise reservation to provide opportunity and facilities for what? Public employment and education. Okay, so they are mentioned here, and it's possible. Okay, there are also some special provisions for specific states. Okay, then, so I hope you are it's fine now. Okay, till here you are fine. Okay, now advancement of few classes, socially and educationally backward classes ka advancement I'm talking about. Okay, clause 4 says that if you want to advance these, you can make laws. 15.3 kya bola? For whom? Women and children. Here what am I talking about? Okay, socially backward, educationally backward, okay, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, ये सब के लिए what can I do? I can make special provision. ये 15.3, ये 15.4 बोलता है क्या? ये बोलता है 15.4 that you can make provisions for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. You can make provision for socially backward people as well, okay, who belong to backward classes in society. Okay, underprivileged classes of people भी है इसमें, underprivileged. Okay, the phrase socially and educationally backward refers to underprivileged. They may not be covered under SCs or NPs, STs. Okay, like for example, OBC have been included in this phrase which is socially and educationally backward. Okay, OBCs have been included. तो बस SC STs नहीं है. Now they have broadened the category और बोला गया इसमें बाकी भी लोग आ सकते हैं, जिसमें OBCs को अब दिया गया है. So SC, ST, but yes, OBCs also. Okay, so yes, 15.4 talks about socially backward, educationally backward, okay, and scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. 15.3 talks about women and children. 15.4 talks about this. Okay, yes. It allows the state to enact laws and provisions relating to the advancement of these people. Okay, advancement of these people, right? Now, Indira Sahani का केस है. इसमें क्या बोला गया था? Let's talk about the next. इसमें क्या बोला गया? The reservation cannot exceed 50%. See, if you're exceeding the reservation beyond 50%, तो क्या हो जाता है? It will deprive the others of right to equality, because वो तो minority में चले जाएंगे ना अभी. Okay, so Supreme Court said that you cannot exceed 50%, but in extraordinary situations the Supreme Court has permitted go beyond 50. Okay, so if I go beyond 50%, तो ऐसे हो जाता है कि अरे वो बाकी के लोग minority हो गए. So what are you doing then? What are you doing then? That will deprive. It is like depriving them of right to equality. एक statement, एक sentence है वो movie में. I want to show you that one. इसे life में हाँ या ना की probability 50-50 की होती है, और मुझे लगता है कि हाँ वाला 50 बहुत है. So don't look at the other 50%. You have 50%. Okay, जो कोई भी देख लो. Okay, I'm not talking about backward, forward. Really not. Even with what you have, you can make the most of it. Don't cry about कि अरे ये नहीं है. जो भी है, जितना भी है आपके पास, you be a minority, you be a majority, जितना भी है आपके पास, उसमें आप बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो. दिस इज एन अमेजिंग कोट, यू नो, आई रियली लव इट. लाइफ में हाँ या ना की प्रोबेबिलिटी 50-50 की होती है. क्लियर होंगे नहीं होंगे 50-50 है. वेयर यू वॉन्ट टू, विच पाथ यू वॉन्ट टू ट्रेड ऑन टू, आपको कौन से 50 में जाना है, ये आपका डिसीजन है. ये आप डिसाइड करो, ये आपके एफर्ट्स डिसाइड करेंगे. Okay, so don't cry over the remaining 50. Be happy and work on your 50. Work on your path. Okay, so yes, reservation more than 50%. So yes, now Tamil Nadu has 69% reservation with 50% reservation for OBCs. Maharashtra has 52, Telangana has 62, Haryana has 67. Okay, it is extraordinary need for upliftment of certain backward क्लासेस के लिए इन्होंने ये अलाउ किया है, एंड गोइंग बियॉन्ड 50%. Okay, they were allowed because of extraordinary circumstances. Yes, they are 4 states जिन्होंने ये beyond 50% का दिया है, और वो काफ़ी दिया है, 69%. Okay, 50% OBCs के लिए 69% काफ़ी है. Now I come to relationship to Article 14. क्या है ये आर्टिकल? Equality है. Okay, right? Equals should be treated equally and unequal to be treated unequally. Okay, same was said in Indira Sahani's case. This is a landmark case that we looked into. Okay, हमने ये आर्टिकल 14 के पीछे पढ़ा हुआ है. Okay, so you cannot treat unequal equally. Okay, now it derives its power entire from Article 14. डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं कर सकते हो, बट क्लासिफाई कर सकते हो. ओके, इट इज आर्टिकल 14's aim that 15 tries to achieve. 14 states that, what does 14 state? What does 14 states? It states that yes, there can be classification, it has to be equality before law and equality of laws. It says लेकिन अगर inequality नहीं है तो आप डिस्क्रिमिनेट क्लासिफाई कर सकते हैं, डिस्क्रिमिनेट मत. Okay, so Article 14 has exactly done what it is. It has placed on different footing men and women. Okay, where women do not enjoy the same place. Okay, then second, ST, SC, ST, OBC, where ये क्या होता है? I've to forgotten what regular class, open या general, right? ओपन या जनरल के बीच में कुछ फर्क है तो देन सोशली, लाइक ओबीसी ऑल्सो फॉल अंडर दिस, सोशली एंड एजुकेशनली बैकवर्ड. तो ये जैसे सोशली नॉट बैकवर्ड, सोशली यस नॉट बैकवर्ड, तो इनके बीच में जो डिफरेंस किया गया है बिकॉज दे आर ऑन डिफरेंट फुटिंग, ये सेम नहीं है. ओके, ऐसा नहीं बोला गया कि men and women, men can drive and women cannot, or women can drive, men cannot. No, that is not the thing. The thing is that जिसमें भी सोसाइटी ने उनको हमेशा हमेशा डिफ्रेंशिएट किया हुआ है, उसके इस पे रिजर्वेशन, उसके इसमें एक्ट्स बने हैं जो उनको ऊपर ले जा सके. ओके, कैन ensure that at some point they will be treated as equal. Okay, so that is why these reservations are there. Right, you can't expect to treat women and men equal in so many aspects where women are all the time being deprived of opportunity. So we have reservations for women in terms of elections also, because there were men who deprived them of that opportunity. So women का representation इतना कम था, they had to make reservation. Okay, same goes for other things as well. So we have talked about Article 15 today. Article 15. Okay, yes, and thank you so much for watching this video. We discussed Article 14 then yesterday. Today I talked to you about Article 15. I couldn't connect with you because this is a recorded lecture. Yes, but please remember, I explained to you discrimination and classification. उसके बीच में discrimination is negative, classification is positive. Classification is when you cannot treat inequals equally. Okay, so classification कब होता है? जब inequals है उनको inequally ही आप करोगे. एक ग्राउंड चाहिए, एक इंटेलिजिबल डिफरेंशिया चाहिए, आप जो कर रहे हो उसका नेक्सस चाहिए दोनों में. ठीक है, फिर आप बोलोगे कि yes, this is right to इक्वालिटी, एंड ये इक्वालिटी अब कर रहे हो. ओके, so with this, Judiciary Exam 360, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, stay notified when we upload a new video. Join us on Telegram for new batches, schedules, latest information and timings. Unacademy, let's crack it. More power to you. We will do this together.